Mercedes will reveal a new version of the GLS called the Grand Edition at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show next week, adding more exclusivity to its full-size SUV. Following its debut in Europe, the new Grand Edition will feature a luxurious interior with exclusive components. This includes a Porcelain, Espresso Brown and designo Nappa leather seats with exclusive diamond quilting and special Budapest-design piping. Other features include an open-pore brown ash trim with light stripes and a Nappa leather dashboard, as well as standard ambient lighting and Espresso Brown velour floor mats. The exterior features a set of 20-inch two-tone wheels as well as Mercedes LED intelligent lights on the GLS 450, with the more expensive GLS 550 getting a set of 21-inch wheels and active LED headlights. The GLS 450 models are powered by a 3.0-liter V6 engine with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot of torque, while the GLS 550 uses a 4.7-liter V8 with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-foot of torque. The new Mercedes GLS Grand Edition will premiere at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, with sales to begin by mid-2018. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, share, or like and subscribe for more videos.